Hello, welcome back to AJM Learn. Today, super fun, easy copy and paste situation. I am literally copying this over exactly from my other screen or from my other tab. Okay, so today I just want to customize the line block. So I made a post before showing you how to make it thicker, but then I thought like there's so much more we can do with this, so let's do it. All right, boring line is where we're starting. So first and foremost, we can change the thickness. Pasting that in here, you can of course adjust the height here. Just change that as needed. Oh my gosh, we do not need 55. That's insane. Okay, next option, add a gradient color fill to the line. You can, of course, change the color of the line in your site styles just based on which background theme you're using. But super fun to add a gradient. Here I have this turquoise to teal, so it's pretty subtle, but you can change the direction. I have it going right. You could change it to go right, down, I think it's bottom actually, but and you could change the colors, of course. You could actually add more colors too. You could totally put a comma and put another hex code in here and add more gradient colors there. Next, love the idea of being able to round the edges of the line. I just love keeping everything on brand. Like if your brand has rounded buttons and just rounded everything, this one is subtle, of course, but I'm a freak about this kind of thing. So I love the opportunity. I just made it thicker to show you. I'll just keep it a little bit thicker to round the edges so that they're not flat. Next, this one I don't know exactly the use case, but I figured why not? So we could add a border around the line if we wanted. You can, of course, change the thickness of the border. You could change the color, all of that. I'm going to get rid of this for the next one because it'll look crazy. This one's fun. You can change the line style. So if we didn't want it to be solid, we could change it to dotted. You can also change this word to dashed, and that works. And you can also change it to double, which gives you a double line. So that's kind of a fun one to use. And then last here, I'm going to get rid of this again just for style, so you can see it. You can add a drop shadow. And with all drop shadows, you can, of course, change the color of the shadow. Like, for example, I might want it to be like more on brand and be my teal or my turquoise. Turquoise would look better. You can, of course, change the opacity of this. You can change the settings of the drop shadow. All of that there. Cool. That's it. Have fun customizing your lines.